We have a...
The recipe today is grated apple cereal, and it's actually Drew's invention. So yeah, let Drew talk about the recipe today.
That's right, it's a very simple one. I was looking for different ways to have a cold type of cereal. So all I did is grab an apple. I'm a big Fuji apple fan myself, and I grabbed a grater, and it's like a cheese grater, and I grate the apple on the cheese grater, and I put that in a bowl along with chia seeds. So there's a number of different benefits. So you can check out a past video of us talking about the importance of chia seeds, but that's going to be a super easy way to nutritionize your body and very light and easy to digest. So you have your apple and cinnamon go really well together. You usually slice up bananas as well, so we have a number of different health benefits from the apples, bananas, the flavor from the cinnamon, and then the seeds. I chop up almonds, throw that in there with chia seeds, usually sprinkle some hemp seeds on top and throw almond milk in there, and that's a super easy, quick way to get a nice, easy to digest breakfast into you first thing in the morning.
Yeah, it is super easy to digest, so if you're somebody who has a hard time in the morning digesting food, you might want to start with something like this.
All right.
Light on the stomach, goes down easy.
That's right. Oh my gosh. Don't know what Dorothy's on a different page. So